All right, well, my soldering skills are not good, and so I wasn't able to weld that piece into place there. So I am going to the shark bites. Shock bite. Dang. All right. So, after an emergency run down to Ace Hardware, we got it. Now, I'm going to let all this dry out down here for a couple of days before I put this sheetrock up. This, I might have to shorten this up just a little bit so I can get some sheetrock behind there so that everything is the same. This pipe here is going to be outside the sheetrock, and then that braided hose there is going to go into the sheetrock. And once all of this is dry, then I will put some new insulation in there, and I'll cut up some sheetrock, and the sheetrock we'll cover it back up again, and we'll tape and mud it, and we'll be good to go. But outside of what I knew was going to be a leak right here, I put a new piece in there, and it's like ½ an inch too long. That's fine. That's a super easy fix. And so I'll take care of that later. But for now, we have filtered water, and I am really excited about this. This is really cool. So, hey, there you have it, guys. Have yourselves a fantastic day. We'll catch ya on the next video. Cheers, y'all.
Hey, I just wanted to say a quick thank you for taking the time to watch my video. If you'd like to see more videos, the link to my Amazon storefront is down in the descriptions, and I'd love it if you'd take a little walk over there, check it out. Have yourselves a fantastic day. We'll catch you later. Cheers, y'all.